Oh, kami naman Nung isang araw, content nyo, nag-live si Jimin at saka si Jungkook ng almost 2 hours. Give namin sa inyo yon. Support kami dun. Ngayon, kami naman. Una sa lahat, follow Jungkook's new official Instagram account. It's MNI Jungkook. How do we know that this is his official Instagram? This account is being followed by all of the members, including Big Hit Official. Siyempre, unang-una si V. And just to prove that this is really his account, he went live with V and, if I'm not mistaken, also RM. Alam, ba't kayo kilig na kilig? Speaking of RM, Jungkook and RM also went on Weverse Live. Personally, ang nabutan ko na is both of them. And then they went live with V. Ang dami yung pauga sa amin today. So at first silang tatlo, tapos biglang sumali rin si Jimin. And if you notice the background of this particular room, it's the same as the background V used for his live last night. This particular background. So all this time, I thought that this room was in a different place or even a different country kasi nga hindi siya nakasali dun sa live ni Jimin and ni Jungkook. But apparently, this room is in the same place or building as this room. How do we know that? Because after this happened. So Taehyung left and went to this room. So ganun lang sila kalapit sa isa't isa. And can you see? Oh my gosh! They are so back. I-zoom natin baka sabihin nyo malabo malayo. Okay na. Ang linaw, di ba? Video pa, pwedeng balik-balikan. Official account pa, hindi edit-edit. Nakakainis. Parang may pinapatunayan talaga to. Diba parang sabi niya, nag-live kayo kagabi? Teka, magla-live tayo sa Instagram mo at maglalandian tayo sa Weverse. In Taehyung we trust. He is his ship's #1 fan. So anyway, after this chaotic and fun live, hindi pa sila natapos. Because they also went live with Hobie. And after all of that, V went live again habang nakahiga at parang matutulog na napakadilim ng kwarto. So hopefully tulog na silang lahat at hindi na sila magla-live kasi mahirap mag-content. And I will leave you with this. Bakit ganyan ang tingin na nakakatunaw? Miss nyo ba ang isa't isa? I love you.